She's wearing a pink skirt.
She's wearing a green hat.
A green hat.
No.
Okay.
And a white t-shirt.
And a white t-shirt. Niin, Brandon, sinue tuosta.
Wearing a white scarf.
A white scarf. Is he wearing a white scarf?
Green t-shirt.
She's wearing a green t-shirt. Yes. Listen.
Wearing a black shirt.
Skirt. She's wearing a black skirt. Is she wearing a black skirt? No. She's
Wearing a pink hat.
She's wearing a pink hat. Is she wearing a pink hat? Yes, okay. Blue boots. She's wearing blue boots. Is she wearing blue boots?
She's wearing pink and black scarf.
She's wearing a pink and black scarf. Is she?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Okay.